This week's shooting of a doctor in a parking ramp outside Southdale Hospital alarmed frontline workers across the Twin Cities who are already on edge from the pandemic and civil unrest.
It does wear on you after a while, and at some point, sometimes it gives.
Carrie Mortrud of the Minnesota Nurses Association is calling for bolstered security at all healthcare facilities.
More bodies, more trained security bodies to help with these kinds of situations.
At Southdale, an mHealth Fairview spokesperson said they have added security since the shooting, and they've already been upgrading the video surveillance system and parking ramp lighting. Plus, the hospital already provides escorts for workers leaving their shifts, which has been used by 8 employees in 2020. Monday's shooting was the first report of violence this year against a Southdale employee in a parking facility. Police described the incident as a targeted robbery attempt.
Security of those inside our walls has been an important thing for health systems forever.
Minnesota Hospital Association President Rahul Khurana leads an organization that in 2016 partnered with the State Health Department and the Minnesota Sheriff's Association on a safety roadmap. It focuses largely on protocols for patients brought in by police.
We want information to be shared. We want that team to work together cohesively so that the patient gets the care that she needs while, everybody stays safe.
But during these difficult times, the Nurses Association says employees are more anxious than ever coming into work and need an extra layer of security.
While adding staff isn't always the answer, in this situation, we feel like it is.
And Edina police are also patrolling. We just saw a squad car go by us behind our live shot just about 15 seconds ago as that story was playing. Now, I mentioned the Southdale Hospital escorts that they have for employees. That is common across the country at hospitals and is in place at all mHealth Fairview facilities. Back to you.
Sadly, violence outside hospitals is not as rare as you may think. Parking lots and garages in general are the third most common place for assaults, homicides, and abductions, according to FBI data. One study found that the violent crime rate on hospital properties has jumped 55% over the past few years, and the majority of those victims are healthcare workers. So why haven't we heard more about this issue? Hospitals are not required to release information about violence on their properties.